Welcome to Brain Benefits, where we will show you the benefits of playing chess and why you should start playing more. Are you looking for a game that goes beyond entertainment? A game that exercises your mind, sharpens your skills, and offers countless rewards? Look no further than the timeless classic, chess. Chess is more than just a game, it's a mental workout that provides an array of benefits for players of all ages. Let's explore the incredible benefits of playing chess. Cognitive development. Chess is the ultimate workout for your brain. It enhances your cognitive abilities, such as critical thinking, problem solving, and strategic planning. Every move requires you to anticipate your opponent's responses, plan several steps ahead, and adapt to changing situations. Concentration and focus. Playing chess hones your ability to concentrate and stay focused. It demands your full attention, shutting out distractions and improving your ability to concentrate for extended periods. This enhanced focus can extend to other areas of your life, helping you tackle tasks with improved efficiency. Patience and resilience. Chess teaches patience and resilience. Every game presents challenges, setbacks, and moments of uncertainty. By learning to overcome mistakes and setbacks, you develop the resilience needed to face challenges in life with a positive attitude. Memory enhancement. Remembering past moves, analyzing patterns, and anticipating future moves all exercise your memory. Regular chess practice can enhance your memory skills, improving your ability to recall information in various aspects of your daily life. Social interaction. Chess is a wonderful way to connect with others. Whether you're playing against friends, family, or fellow enthusiasts, it fosters social interaction and healthy competition. It's a great opportunity to build friendships and create lasting memories. Stress relief. Amid the demands of modern life, chess provides a relaxing escape. Engaging in a match helps reduce stress and anxiety, allowing you to unwind and recharge. It's a delightful way to find balance and mindfulness. Lifelong learning. The beauty of chess is that it's never too early or too late to start. Whether you're a child or a senior, chess offers a continuous journey of learning and improvement. You'll find yourself constantly challenged, always discovering new strategies and tactics. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, embrace the world of chess and unlock these incredible benefits. Challenge your mind, foster connections, and enjoy the thrill of every move. Start your chess journey today. Thank you so much for watching, hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe and play chess today.